Hey, it's Terry. I'm inviting you to share your connection to the universe, to give some positive vibes to the world by connecting to the healing energy. Yes, you can do it. I'm inviting you to do it because it's gonna take you 4 seconds. I'm gonna explain soon more how you can be a light worker, be someone who contributes with something positive to this world. But first I'm gonna read some comments. Havik writes, I just tried it. I felt like small ants or small electrical impulses through my hands. I will help transmit healing for the collective. I'm in, says Havik. Thank you so much. So these are examples that we can all do this. Andy McNamara writes, halfway through the video, this is the last, I made 2 other videos about this. Halfway through the video, my palms starting tingling and burning. My body felt like nothing, and it was like I was in a crowded place. Now I'm one of those who doesn't make any sense. And she's referencing my first video about this, which was all over the place. The idea is that you can sit in an airport like this, or on a bus, or in a taxi, or in your home, or at the beach, or whatever. Somewhere you can sit in peace and quiet. And all you do in order to, let's call it what it is, help the world, you close your eyes and you speak out loud. And maybe you can wear sunglasses if you're inside, right? You close your eyes and you speak out loud or think, and you just, this is gonna sound crazy to some of you, but that's what these people have done. They told the healing energy, like, okay, I'm present, I'm here, and healing energy, if you want to work through me, please do. I'm through me. And you just sit there, and many people feel some effect of this in their own body. You don't think about who you're healing or what is happening. You just like meditate and just sit there and being focused, and the energy goes into the world. From what I understand, you're a grounding point for the healing energy to come through, because you are on this earth, and so is the person, or whatever the healing energy wants to, or whatever healing energy wants to send this to. And a bonus from what I don't have the answers to this, right? From what I gather is that you doing that, being this booster, I call it being a signal booster, helps you too. Because and you can add, of course, and talk to it like a friend. Just say, I'm sitting here, please use me if you want to, and if you don't mind, I'd like some healing too. It goes through you, right? So it's not out of the way for the healing energy to help you. So, do you want to be a positive force in this world? It takes you 4 seconds, and just talk to it like a friend. And I feel it works best when I'm present, so I'll just sit here with my eyes closed in this airport, and I feel burning in my hands. A second after I give it my permission, I say, I'm here, use me. Boom, the burning starts. I have no idea if it reaches people around me or the sky or the earth. No clue whatsoever. Yeah. So will you let me know if you wanna, if you tried it and felt something, or if you wanna try it? I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.